That my father remembered. I put the radiator in while I wasn't there, and obviously radiator's bone dry. There's no water in this system at the moment, so we're just going to put tap water in because it's been rusting away. There's going to be a bit of flaky bits we're expecting. We'll just put tap water in for now, just to make sure that there's some sort of fluid in there, and that will be drained out. I'll turn the tap. Pause. Okay. Just put a bit of water in there. So what we're going to do, leave that radiator cap off. We're going to fire it up, put the battery in. Century, they're the best. The 4-wheel drive batteries. Lead acid anyway, they're the best. Don't know about lithium. Here we go. Yep. Can't remember, it's been 10 years since this thing started. Got good compression. Too much that rocket cover moves around. It's not bolted down yet, but it's not. I mean, just the natural vibration of the motor. It sounds a little bit. What do you think about the noise? It sounds a little bit. You did the valve clearances for all the same appearance? The valves are all done. Squeaking. Can you hear it? Well, yeah, I do. So I got to pause this. I'm just tightening this up a little bit on the rocker cover. Just slightly. Just breaking it apart on me here. Need the new one. Did you check the oil? Halfway. Halfway, okay. Yeah, should have changed the oil. But at least you know it starts. Right, I'm going to turn this off. The only other thing is that seems to vibrate a fair bit. Yeah, it's only got those bolts, but there's only 4. There's only 4 bolts holding it on. Yeah. But when it starts off, it has a pattern. Okay. It's all carried. Well, the motor started straight away, that's the main thing. Nothing wrong with that injector pump. Nothing wrong with the fan, it just blew a whole lot of stuff my way. Okay, so there you have it. Triton U. Mitsubushi Triton U, sitting for 10 years. Pretty much starts first go. First kit. We just had to clean up. We cleaned up. There was an issue with the earths down here. We cleaned up an earth here, and some weeds down here, and then it just kicked over first time. There you have it.